I am so hungry.
I think my stomach ate my...
More testicle crumples disease include explosive diarrhea.
Oh no!
Having so much trouble figuring this out. Oh, my head is pounding. This is real, Scarlet. The island is being controlled by a main computer. You need to find it and gain control of the island. Focus. We got her, Dave! Oh.
Are you sure you can do this?
Oh, definitely. No, I'm great. Really.
Come on, you sissies!
That sounds a little like the time I ate 92 chili dogs on a dare.
Where are they? I just saw them!
Floating up like a puffer fish.
Chris, freaking us out! Well, whatever it is, I'm out of here.
You don't even know where you're going.
Who cares? At least it's not here with you.
I'll trade you my egg in exchange for a ride.
Riding with him was the last thing I wanted to do. But I was starving. Deal.
A hungry Emma is a bad Emma.
Have some breakfast?
You know that feeling you get when a volcano is about to go off in your gut and you have no idea which end's gonna blow? Yeah.